If you like hand clapping games or body percussion activities, then for the month of February, a fun song to use is Love Somebody. You can do some clap, pat, snap, or pat, clap, pat activities with your class singing this song. Love somebody, yes I do. Love somebody, yes I do. Love somebody, yes I do. Love somebody, but I won't tell who. Then you can turn this into a game once you have everyone be able to do the clapping and patting. So you'll make two circles. You'll have an inside circle and an outside circle where students are facing each other. The inside circle is going to move one person over at the end of each verse. Then that way everybody gets a turn to play with different students. My tip for if you have an odd number of students in your class, it's no big deal. What I do is I put an instrument in one spot. Whoever lands on that spot then would play the drum or the triangle or whatever might be fun for your students to play. Or if it's younger students, clap, pat, clap, pat. And with kindergarten, you could even just do clap and then pat knees. Love somebody, yes I do. Love somebody, yes I do. Love somebody. You could do the pat, clap, and then pat across, or clap, pat, clap across. So you can take this one song, Love Somebody, and make it work for several different grade levels. I like that. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you'll subscribe. Let's keep kids moving and learning with music.